Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, I'm Laura. Yes, I'm Laura Nyovlera. This is me attempting to shoot another video after I just deleted my video while I was transferring. So anyway, happy new year, happy 2021. I hope 2021 has better opportunities in store for us, in store for everyone. Yes, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, that is it. I hope this video has been helpful in one way or another. Don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to always make memories. Till next time guys, bye bye.